Snapchat shortcut to send all your streaks at once. So if you want to have the Snapchat shortcut to send all your streaks at once, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you just need to simply take a snap. Once you've taken a snap, you need to go with send to, which is on the bottom right. And here on the upper side, you will have a plus icon, right? Simply tap on the plus icon. Once you tap on it, now you need to go with new shortcut. Once you tap on new shortcut, now you need to select the persons that you would like to add to your shortcut, or to whom you would like to maintain your streak. So I'll be just choosing 2 or 3 persons and then go with create shortcut. And you just need to simply go with choose emoji, which is on the upper side, and then you can choose an emoji. And once you've done that, tap on create shortcut and done. Now what you need to do is, once you've taken a snap, you need to go with send to and then choose the shortcut that you have just created and then tap on select all and send. And that's it. In this way, you'll be able to create a Snapchat shortcut to send all your streaks at once. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.